Welcome student. In last period we have seen a linear array, a data structure. Also we have seen how to organize the list in computer's memory, and that is called as a representation of a linear array in computer's memory. Now we are going to see one by one operations that can be performed on a list. Say first operation is traversing. So first of all definition will be there. Traversing, let LA be the linear array. Let LA be the linear array. Let LA be the linear array. In computer's memory, memory. Then traversing means visiting each element exactly at once, so that it can be processed. Now what we are going to see, visiting each element and processing. Now let LA be the list. So we are going to write down the algorithm. What is algorithm? We know that algorithm. Now we know that algorithm is set of well-defined instructions. Algorithm set of well-defined instructions to carry out certain operation. What the operation is? Operation is traversing. Let LA be the linear array. Name of the list is linear array, LA. So traversing means visiting each element exactly at once. So we have to explain how this can be carried out. That is done by algorithm. And we know that algorithm require two things. Algorithm have two parts. First part, that is purpose of algorithm, name of identifiers, etc. Whereas second part is instructions. So here LA is a linear array. Here LA is a linear array with lower bound LB. What is lower bound? That is smallest index. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is lower bound, 4 is upper bound. With lower bound LB and upper bound UB. This algorithm traverses LA by applying process. This algorithm traverses LA. Traverse means what the operation is? Traverse LA by applying process. Which process? Any process will be there. That's why we are writing process in capital words. Any process. Process to each element of LA. How? Step number 1. What? Initialize the count. So in square bracket we are writing, that is called initialize counter. How? By setting k is equal to lower bound. K is equal to lower bound. As we have seen, lower bound is 1. Let us draw the list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomato, potato, milk, eggs. This is the linear array. So k is equal to lower bound. Lower bound is 1. Now repeat step 3 and 4. Repeat step 3 and 4. 3 and 4. While k is smaller than or equal to upper bound. So step number 2 is not doing anything. Rather, step number 2 is telling us to repeat step number 3 and 4. What the 3 is. Now the step number 3, visit the element. Visit the element. And apply the process. So apply process to array. Apply process to array. Now see, initialize the counter. K is equal to lower bound is 1. Repeat step 3 and 4 while k is smaller or equal to upper bound. Upper bound is 4. So k is 1. So condition is satisfied. Visit the element. Apply process to LS k. So LS k is LS1 is tomato. Process is applied. Now step number 4. What we have to do? Increase the counter. Increase counter. That is k is equal to k plus 1. Now what the k will become? 2. But you see here 3 and 4 to be repeated. That's why this is in loop. Here we can see end of step to loop. Step to loop. That's why I am going to go to step number 5. Rather come to the 2. Repeat step 3 and 4 while k is smaller than equal to low upper bound. K is 2. Smaller than upper bound. Upper bound is 4. So visit and apply process to LS 2. So 2 is processed. Increase the counter. K is equal to k plus 1. K become 3. End of step to loop. That's why don't go to step number 5. Rather come to the repeat step 3 and 4 while k is smaller or equal to upper bound. K is 3. Upper bound is 4. Condition is satisfied. Apply process to LS 3. Increase k is equal to k plus 1. Now end of step to loop. K is smaller than, not smaller than, but equal to. So visit and apply process to LS 4. Increase the counter. K becomes 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K is 5. End of step to loop. Repeat step 3 and 4 while k is smaller than or equal to. But k is now 5, which is not smaller than or not equal to upper bound. Thus step number 5. So by this way, you see we have traversed, we have visited each element of LA. So take down this. Now we are going to see next operation, that is inserting. Now we are going to see the next operation, that is inserting. In next period we will see. Thank you.